In this episode, we started our seeds. We started from scratch because I got an outburst of aphids just last month. Boo! But oh well, we needed a fresh start. So join us. Getting fresh produce in Wyoming is really hard. So my lovely husband built me a greenhouse, and we have been growing things in the greenhouse for the last 3 years. We just adopted this room last year, and we brought everything inside because, again, we live in Wyoming and the grow season here is really short. I've enjoyed it. I love it. I love coming in and seeing little miracles every day. We are about to start our seeds, and this year it's different because I ordered this. It's 40-cell seed starter tray kits from Vivosun, and they have a light and they sound wonderful, to be honest with you. So I am very excited. And every year we experiment. Some things grow fantastic one year and the other one they don't. But hey, that's life, and I hope you join us. I just cleaned the tomatoes. These tomatoes have been great, and these big pots, we have had them for 2 summers, and these little ones, we had them for last summer. So on the winter they gave us tomatoes, but it's funny because I think they are listening to me, because I said to Connor, hey, I'm gonna start everything from scratch because the tomatoes are getting super small. Look at that. That's one tomato behind the big one, and I think that this tomato plant knows that I want to get rid of it, and now look, it's giving us big, massive tomatoes. Isn't that awesome? Oh my goodness. I cleaned this room really well. Unfortunately, I brought a plant and everything got aphids. Oh my gosh, it was a total tragedy. So I cleaned the tomatoes so far. I cleaned everything else. I got rid of the shelves because they were covered on aphids. Oh my gosh, but it's okay, they are shelves. The only thing that stayed was my avocado. I'm growing an avocado in Wyoming. How about that? I've been taking care of it for over 2 years. I just turn it around so it starts growing leaves over here. I think it's really happy. I think so. And I sprayed everything with this tomato and vegetables for diseases and insects. I ordered 3 of the kit starters, so let's go open one, shall we? Woo, I'm very excited. So we are opening one of the boxes of the 40 cells starter kit of Vivosun. When you first see it, you pull this out. These are where the seeds are gonna be, and the dirt. And this is the mat. Look, it comes in a very nice Vivosun bag. It is the mat. Oh, thank you. Ooh, I got an assistant. This is the mat, so we keep the seeds warm and toasty, so the seeds are happy and they grow.
Heated mat.
Yes, it is a heated mat. It is very nice. Oh, you're putting. Look, it has controller. I don't know if you can adjust it with your app. I have an app on my cell phone, so I'm just gonna read this. And then, let's see, these are the lights that goes on top of the dome. It comes with an instruction manual as well.
Gotta follow Oh, the destruction.
It comes with LED lights, and I got it because we do it quite often, and so these are quality. We know that for a fact because we have the tent, and so I got these ones, which they are LED, and we will have them hopefully for years.
That's right.
Hopefully.
Vivosun.
For many years. It also got the controllers for the humidity and yes, and these ones, and this is your lead. Lead and button. So I got 3 of them, and let's put them on the room. I ordered three of these kits because I am starting everything from scratch on the first place, and I am trying again to grow deer-resistant wildflowers. Last year I was growing marigolds, and they were fantastic. They were fantastic, and they were about to have flowers. I was watering them all summer, and they were doing really great. And when they were about to have flowers, I never paid them. I was really disappointed. This is one of my Christmas presents for last year. It was a Christmas present from my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law. So thank you. This is the first time I'm using it. Yay!
Isn't she beautiful?
Welcome to day 2 of planting my seeds. I'm gonna show you what I did yesterday. I advanced a little bit on it. Hey, what are you doing? And I have already 1 full, and so now I'm gonna do the rest of them. So keep joining us, please, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and go visit my online store, because you have to check out the blog. We've been having fun. So yesterday, after I cleaned this room, I plugged these 2, and this one is full of seeds, and I'm gonna continue working on this one now. And we have 1 more to go. Yay! Livon is here supervising everything I do. He came earlier and checked my seeds, which I ordered from Eaton Brothers, and now he's getting his nose where he's not supposed to be. Look, these are the carrot seeds. Last year I was extremely successful at growing carrots, and we enjoy them, and it came all funky. They don't come out like the grocery store, meaning they were just twisted and everything like that. It was fun to see it, to be honest with you. We decided to grow 4 plants of basil. So look, those are basil seeds. Isn't that cute? It's fantastic how something that small can produce something so delicious. We also agreed on 2 plants of oregano. Which one do you like better, oregano or basil? Mine, basil. In fact, on the summer, I usually, every time that I cook, I find a way to add fresh basil. Ask Connor. He sometimes look at me like, oh gosh, this lady, she's basil obsessed. We also agree on two plants of thyme. Thyme is a new discovery for me, to be honest with you. I grew up in Mexico, which is a flavorful food, but I discovered thyme here. So let's water it and wish them luck. Good luck, little seeds.
My biscuit does not know how to do nothing.
I don't know. No, I don't stop. I never stop.
Never stop.
I never stop. How does it look?
Maybe if I tell her to do nothing and put nothing on her schedule.
Maybe, yeah. You should try it. Yesterday we have Matt over for supper. He's one of our good friends. And he brought us a cactus. He's cactus obsessed. And look, it even has the scientific name. I'm gonna try to say it. Euphorbia horrida. I hope I didn't destroy that name, but look at it. Oh, isn't that cute? Those are squash seeds. They look like pumpkins. Hey, I'm not very successful at growing squash, to be honest with you. But hey, I try. Another tiny speckled seed. I got 2 types of lettuce. This one is my favorite one. Last year we were very successful growing lettuce. It was really nice, to be honest with you. I got 2 different kind of lettuce. This one is lettuce Paris Island Cos, and this one is iceberg lettuce. My husband, he's a southerner and so we miss the okra a lot. I haven't been successful at it, but hey, just keep trying, I guess so. one year. I'm very excited. I'm gonna try a new brand of tomatillo. It's called pineapple, and I read the description and it sounds delightful. Tomatillos always have tart flavor, so pineapple sounds very tart. Last but not least, 16 of onions. Onions are a great deterrent for deer, antelope, and gophers. Because now we are setting one from scratch. This is the heating mat. It comes in a nice bag, and then it comes in a nice bag. There you go, and then you take it out. Whoa. It comes with a manual, which I'm gonna put there. And there we go. We need our seedlings. Hey, Vivosun, what are you up to? Our seeds, there we go. The water. This is the first time I'm watering them. And Vivosun is supervising everything. We are putting the dome. These lights are really nice. They are really beautiful. Look, they are LED lights, and they are 2. And then we can set them on the shelves that we are gonna have here soon. And it fits perfectly. So here is the remote for the heating mat, and I only need to press on, and it says real temperature, it's 82, and set temperature 95. So there we go, that's for the heating mat. And then this is for the lights. It comes with a remote, as I told you before. So on and off and on. And then with this one you can control the dimness, and then with this one it's the timer. So it has 8 green light, 12 blue light, and 18 red light. This tent we are gonna try growing ancho peppers. This is the first time we try growing these over here, so wish us luck. It says 4, but we run out of thirds, so one have to wait. And I'm gonna mix really quickly the perlite over here. And yeah, wish us luck, please. I'm very excited. So there you go. We have inside the tent 3 ancho peppers, and we run out of dirt, so but there you go. Ooh, grow serrano, grow ancho peppers. Grow. Final quick tour. So these are ancho peppers, and we only kept an avocado because I have been taking care of it for 2 years, and we got Vivosun starter kits with lights and everything. Look at this, it's already sweating. We got the seeds from Eden Brothers. Ta-da! We are missing one of those things, and my little cactus. Soon all of our efforts are going out there. Look at it, it's waiting for our plants already. Oh my gosh, I love my greenhouse. If you want to see the process of building it, it took us 1 month to do it. So I did a couple of YouTube videos about it. You should go see it, it's wonderful. There you go, guys. There are our seeds, our dreams for this summer. Please wish us luck. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and go to my online store. I have the spring collection itself. It's called Moments in Creation, and you don't want to miss it. Woo! See you next week. Woo!